Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y27 and let me show you how to use codes on this device. So if you have some secret codes and you want to use them, just enroll your phone dialer, like enroll keypad after opening phone dialer, and here you can enter the codes. Let me show you just some of them. For example, *#06#. As you can see, this one will provide you email serial number, like all necessary device information. Tap on OK. Another code that you can use is *#426#***. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And let me show you one more. It's ***225***. And here we've got the version info, so whenever you want to check product name, software build version, preload version, and so on, just provide this code and here we've got everything. So obviously, if you have some more codes, provide them, enter them the same way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.